you like the pudding? Is it good? Let's see the mouth. Mmm, tasty. Mmm. How come you don't use the spoon?
Why? It's so much easier to just put my finger in
Too
there.
busy, can't talk, eating pudding. Is it good? You have a big glob of it on your finger. Get that off your finger. Oh, it goes back in. Mmm.
All done?
Oh, there you go. Use your own one. Yeah, your finger's easier. Say it. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. What's going on?
Sugar overload.
Are you done? Are you done? Done? Jack, are you done? Done? Bye-bye? Bye-bye? Yeah, what else? Done?
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Pudding.
Done.
Done?
Done.
Done? Are you done?
Done.
You need to go straight to the bath. Done? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Done.
Bye-bye. I think we're done. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Eh?
Is that for me? Thank you. Spoon. Okay. Thank you.
Done?
Thank you.
Okay, say goodbye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Eh?
Yeah. Thank
Yep,
you.
now you're all done. Done. Done.
Done.
Done. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Done. Bye-bye.